Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. We got a great Ask a Ninja from Travis in Rexburg, Idaho. He's got some issues. Apparently his house flooded because it's a new construction house in the crawl space, got some water and different things going on. He's got mold in the crawl space. He wanted to know, should he dehumidify first, address the mold first, then dehumidify? Also, he had some questions about soda blasting and mold. Stay tuned. Just wanted to remind everybody, we've got our book out there, still available on Amazon.com, Crawl Space Repair Myths Busted. So if you get a chance, if you got a mold problem, an indoor air quality problem, humidity issues, waterproofing issues, this is a great resource for those of you looking to do it yourself, or if you're looking to hire a contractor. Travis, I appreciate you sending us this Ask a Ninja. It looks like you had some rain and some snow before you got your new construction roof on, and the crawl space developed some mold. So you said, I have a bunch of mold. I have put dehumidifiers under there, but was wondering, should I kill the mold and then dehumidify or get the humidity under control and then kill it again? So let's talk about that first. You actually asked us two questions. I recommend you go ahead and dehumidify the mold, dehumidify, Travis. Believe it or not, mold can actually grow back very rapidly if the crawl space is humid and the wood moisture level is high. Many years ago, we did some crawl space remediation, and we went in there a little bit premature before the wood got dried out and before the humidity got under control. Took the mold off, came back the next day, and believe it or not, it had already started visibly growing back. Now, it doesn't always happen that quickly, but mold can grow within 24 to 48 hours. So there's really no sense in addressing it prior to controlling humidity and taking care of that wood moisture level. You want humidity as low as you can get to dry it out, but preferably around 50%. That will help dry that crawl space out quickly. And you want that wood moisture level to come down between 15 and 20% before you start addressing mold. You also had a question about soda blasting, whether we leave the plastic down or soda blast and then let the soda fall on the vapor barrier and then take that vapor barrier out. We always let the soda fall directly on the soil because soda is a great deodorizer, believe it or not, and we want that odor control inside the crawl space and in the soil. So great Ask a Ninja questions there, Travis. And if you guys have a question for me, you can even do a one-on-one consultation from me. I got a link down below. Hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.